Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the AirPods box on a flat, stable surface. You want steady control. Once done, check for pull tab or seam in the shrink wrap. Those are deliberate removal points. Use a small flat tool or your fingernail to lift the seal. Go slow so you do not scratch the box. Make sure to work from the edge toward the center, and keep fingers away from the hinge area to prevent accidental drops or pressure on the case inside. Next, slide the outer sleeve straight off without twisting. That preserves corners and keeps the box pristine. You then lift the lid using the front lip. This reduces force on the hinge and prevents misalignment. Once the lid is open, remove the quick start guide and warranty card first because they often cover the case. Peel any thin plastic film from the AirPods case. Slow, even pulls prevent residue. Keep the small box insert. It holds the cable and accessories securely. Finally, grasp the case by the sides with both thumbs and lift straight up from the tray. You want even pressure so the earbuds stay seated. Once out, open the lid and confirm the pairing light flashes. Then plug in the lightning cable and charge to about 50% before heavy use. If the tray feels stuck, slide a thin plastic card under the edge to ease it. Do not use metal tools. If adhesives remain, warm gently with your hand and peel slowly to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.